Welcome to Saturday, the 26th of October, 2024. I'm Connor with Honor. Let's see what's happening with regard to the amount of open houses that are going to be scheduled today. And you can go to santaclaritaopenhouses.com, and it's very simple. Once you're here, you'll be able to either fill this out or not. Any information that's left here is totally going to be kept between myself and you. It doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't get traded or sold. When you're online searching for real estate, what ends up happening is the information that you enter into most of the systems are then sold to real estate agents, lenders, and a lot of other people in the business. So just watch out for that. But again, you can search here without any issue and without needing to put in any of your personal information. So here at the home page, very simple, you can search for any listings by city, but this is where the actual open houses are being held. And today we're going to see 159 active open houses that are going to be scheduled throughout all of the Santa Clarita Valley cities. So please feel free, have a look at the system. And again, many pages of these. My suggestion is, besides looking at the open houses, you can also filter the information by different fields. Look at the newest, look at the oldest. You can look at the different price ranges, high to low, reduced prices for those properties that maybe have had prices changed, which is critical to be able to find out. And you can see that indicated here by these arrows. These properties have been reduced, gone down 3.5%. This one was reduced 5.2%, which is a big jump. This one 2.5%, 1.8%, and so on. So you can see these arrows here. That's Santa Clarita Open Houses. Welcome to this weekend. Be careful when you go into an open house. You should have free purview to look at the listing. Sometimes the agents might say, hey, is there any way you can give us your information because my seller's interested in it? That might be something to consider, but again, it shouldn't be mandatory. It is the seller's house, however, so you take that up with yourself and the person representing the seller that happens to be in the house. I'm Connor with Honor. Have a great Saturday. We'll be back tomorrow.